Withdrawing money from Netflix to your bank account involves a few straightforward steps. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your Netflix account. Start by visiting the Netflix website or opening the app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Locate payment information. In the account settings, scroll down to the membership and billing section. Here, you will find your payment information and billing history. Step 4. Request a withdrawal. Look for an option related to withdrawals or account credits. Follow the prompts to request a withdrawal to your bank account. You may need to enter your bank details if they are not already saved. Step 5. Confirm and complete the process. Review the withdrawal details and confirm your request. You should receive a confirmation email, and the funds will be processed to your bank account within a few business days. By following these steps, you can successfully withdraw money from your Netflix account to your bank account. Always ensure your banking information is up to date for a seamless transaction.